come to the question number 18. What is question number 18? If metric A is equals to zero, negative tan of alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0, then I plus A is equals to I minus A into cos of alpha negative sin of alpha
अभी आएंगे
and sin of alpha and cos of alpha. So first I have A, which is equals to 0, negative tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 0. So first I want to just write cos alpha and sin alpha in the form of tan alpha by 2. So sin of alpha is equals to 2 tan alpha by 2 over 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Just assume tan of alpha by 2 is equals to t. Then this is equals to 2t over 1 plus t square. Now cos of alpha is equals to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 over 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. So it's become 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. Now what about the value of 1 minus I minus A? So I minus A is equals to, the value of I is obviously 1 0 0 1. Value of A 0, and this negative tan alpha is written in the form of t. So it becomes the minus t 0 with a negative sign. So it becomes 1 t and because the negative t and 1. So and cos of alpha, sin negative sin alpha and cos of alpha. It can be written in the form of t. So it becomes 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. This become minus 2t over 1 plus
तैयार हो जा
t square, 2t over 1 plus t square, and this cos alpha become 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. Now up to here we have just want to multiply these two. So I minus A into cos of alpha negative sin of alpha sin alpha and cos of alpha is equals to value of this 1 t negative t 1 into value of this 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square negative 2t over 1 plus t square 2t over 1 plus t square and 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square. So I just directly write down the values. You can solve it. because you guys knows the answer how the multiplication is going on. So it become this into this plus this into this. It become 1 plus t square over 1 plus t square. For the second element, this row into this column, it becomes the negative t into 1 plus t square over 1 plus t square. For the third element, this row into this column, so it becomes t times 1 plus t square over 1 plus t square. And for the last element, this row into this column, it becomes 1 plus t square over 1 plus t square. So what's the final answer? I get it, and that's it. 1 negative t over 1 negative t and become the t and 1. So it is a LHS. What about the RHS? I have a RHS is I plus A. What is the value of I plus A is equals to, value of I is 1001 and value of A is 0, negative t, t and 0. Just we can solve it. 1 negative t, t and 1, which is equals to LHS. This is equation 1 by equation 1. Proved. Now we are going on the question number 19, that is a word problem. And the problem is, in a trust fund, Rs 30,000 must be invested into the two different type of bond. So the first thing is, I want to invest 30,000 rupees in a two format. And what are those formats? First bond pay the 5% interest. This is the interest value. And second pay the 7% interest. This is the interest value. And what we have to determine, we want to determine in that in a year we want the interest of 1800 rupees. So in which ratio I should, this 30,000 should be invested. So it's very simple. Let this is a part A, this is a part B. In part A, if I invested the X amount, then in part B, it's 30,000 minus X amount will be invested. So how could I write it? So I write it like this. First was row versus. This is a 5% interest, 5 over 100, and it's 7 over 100, and it could be written in the column format. The first one is X amount and second one is a 30,000 minus X, and what's the total value? It's a 1 cross 1 element, 1800. Yeah, okay. So it's a one row and two column. There is a two rows and one column. It should be, can be written like this. So 1 into 1. So if I just, we are going to multiply this and it's equals to 1800. So it become, I think it's a final answer. Let me check. Yeah, just multiply it. So it become x 5x over 100 and plus 7 over 100 times 30,000 minus x is equals to 1800. So it become 5x plus 21000 minus 7x is equals to 1800 into 100. So it become negative 2x is equals to 180000 minus 210000. So it become minus 2x is equals to negative 300000. So x is equals to 15,000. So 30,000 minus x is also become the 15,000. So in a section A I have to invest 15,000, in a section B I have to invest the 15,000. That's the final answer, and the second part you can do it, and